Florine Stettheimer was born 19th of August 1871, died 11th of May 1944. She was an American modernist painter, feminist, theatrical designer, poet, and salonniere. Stettheimer developed a feminine, theatrical painting style depicting her friends, family, and experiences in New York City. She made the first feminist nude self-portrait and paintings depicting controversies of race and sexual preference. During her lifetime, Stettheimer had only one solo exhibition, at Knoedler in 1916. It was organized by painter Albert Stirner's wife, Marie Stirner, one of the first women gallerists in America, who worked at Knoedler and acted as an intermediary between the artist and the gallery. The show consisted of a number of the artist's early Matisse-derivative works, painted with bright, pure colors, thick impasto, and heavy contours. During her lifetime, Stettheimer exhibited her paintings at more than 40 museum exhibitions and salons in New York and Paris. In 1938, when the Museum of Modern Art sent the first American art exhibition to Europe, Stettheimer and Georgia O'Keeffe were the only women whose work was included. Following her death in 1944, her friend Marcel Duchamp curated a retrospective exhibition of her work at the Museum of Modern Art in 1946. It was the museum's first retrospective exhibition of work by a woman artist. After her death, Stettheimer's paintings were donated to museums throughout the United States.